This unboxing is brought to you today by my lurgy. We were supposed to go on a camping trip prospecting, going to find me some gold and some garnets and hopefully some sapphires as well. But I've come down with this bug and it's not fun. So yeah, so instead I'm going to open this box. Now it doesn't weigh a huge amount, but it's long. Right, well, how are we going to get into it? What's that? A brad point drill bit, that'll do the job. Right, now what do we have in here? Lots of bubble wrap. Ooh, well, I know what that is. What's this? I think I know. Right, well they're a crosscut. It's got 346 on it, so I'm presuming that's 346 millimeters blade. Looks about right. It's a slot exchange blade. There's a screw, you loosen the screw off and there's a slot in the blade. You can replace them. Not a style that I've had before. That's unexpected, it's a Ryoba. I thought this was just the... You know how I often say in these videos I don't know what's in the box? Well, this time I thought I had a reasonable idea. That's like, looks like a 270 or so. Now obviously to me, it's a small whaleback. It's a milling saw. Interesting handle. The way that's been done. It looks like it's been broken. The handle has been broken, and they've added this different sort of handle to accommodate it. The set looks pretty good. There's one broken tooth. That looks pretty reasonable. I might put that back in the paper.
Can I help?
Yeah, sure.
Can I open this one?
Yep, go for it. Actually, you know what I think we should do?
What?
I think we should open Angus's ones first.
Yeah.
Yep, because I know what's in Angus's ones.
Which one? This is blood.
Yeah, it's a blood one. Yeah. Turn it around, like that. And you can see there's nothing that you're going to damage, so you push it through. All right, now cut that. Slide the blade. All right, now careful, now stop, one at a time.
This one?
Carefully open them.
Oh.
Your big boy.
Look at this one.
Yeah,
Colourful.
it's a bit of rust on that. But that'll clean up.
This one? I got the square knives.
Oh, that feels good. It's got some real weight to it. Yeah, these rectangular ones, these are vegetable knives. Lucky! No! No! Ah!
Those knives?
Sure.
Cool. What knives? So there's like the
I gotta teach the kids more about what makes a decent knife.
Knives. Do you like this one? Yeah. I want to help too. Can I help? Can I help? I want to help. I'm getting it.
Stop. You're pushing that blade towards your hand. What have we got here? We've got an oak handle.
Can I have that pickaxe that you cut myself?
Look at that. That's
Can I have this one back? The tiny
we'll
one.
see. It's got a quite a lightweight handle to quite a relatively massive head. We've got to test it out looking for gold though.
Okay. Because I want this to be my pickaxe.
Well, we'll see. Is it causing you a bit of difficulty, Morag?
Yeah.
Why haven't you just cut the end off?
Because I can't. It keeps moving. Like the other way. Lucky you want to cut it. I'm cutting.
Go on, get back, Angus. Not Angus, what's his name? Lucky.
Oh! That's a tiny pick. This is a tiny pick.
This isn't a pick. Well, it is a pick, but this is a log pick. So yes, two Japanese picks and a Japanese log pick with its handle. Now I've got a bunch of these, of new ones of these for sale without handles, and I didn't realise that they fitted them with such a long handle. That's quite long. But and this here is an oak, but it's just a branch, and that's why it's splitting. All right, so we actually have more egg. We actually got one more. So guys, can we have the picks stood up carefully over there? Right, you guys know I'm sick, right? And I'm gonna get grumpy really easily.
So I mean, you want our kids to help you dig.
Yeah, I'm not sure that's the case. But anyway, you just nearly poked me in the face with that.
Alan, I'll show you how to breathe in.
That would have made a good video, I guess, getting stabbed in the face by my son. But it's not something I'd like to happen. Now, have you heard that a blunt knife is a dangerous knife?
Yep. What?
A blunt knife is a dangerous knife. Well, because you get frustrated, it's not cutting, you push harder, and then it slips and cuts you. Oh, look at that. That's looking good.
Look at that.
That's not bad.
Boys said before it's rubbish.
Yeah, well, they're wrong.
I thought I was junk, but actually, if Dad says it's good, it means I think it's good.
It's in remarkably good condition. It's still got what looks like the original polish on most of it. Like it's had rust and the rust has been removed. That's what all those mottling marks are from, but it still looks like original polish. And the tool marks on the teeth. That is a good saw, and it feels sharp-ish, not super sharp. Nice and straight. Right. Well, I've lost my seat, haven't I? Right. Well, I planned to just have a quiet opening the box. I didn't plan to be joined by the kids. In fact, I specifically not told the kids I was opening the box so I could just get this done. Because
I'm going to like
my levels of patience at the moment are low.
That's awesome.
So,
Also going to go prospecting.
what do you want to do, Alan?
Go prospecting.
Give the picks a run?
Yeah.
Cool. It's rare that the kids actually want to go prospecting, so that might be a turn. So I think I might go back to bed because I think any energy I had I've used up. So catch you later, guys. What's wrong? The kids helped me unpack that box.